What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go over a little review. I couldn't find nothing for these wrenches myself when I bought them, so wanted to do a review myself. Had them for a couple months now. It's the Icon, the new Icon from Harbor Freight. I think the part number is WRAM. Part number is WRAM10. Get them on eBay for 99 bucks. I'm pretty sure you can get them Harbor Freight for around the same price. But so far, these wrenches have been pretty good. I'm an alignment tech by trade, obviously, and I use wrenches more than anything. And when I first got them, they was a little tight on everything. Once they're wore in a little bit, they seem to work pretty good for your basic wrench. So I know the day I got them, the Snap-on guy ran the next day, and we compared it to Snap-on's line of wrenches. And on a 10mm Allen, the Harbor Freight would slip a little bit faster than the Snap-on, but I mean, look at your price difference. And so far, they've been pretty good to me. And I was a little skeptical about buying them to begin with. Now that I bought them and used them for a while, me personally, I would buy them again. As I have had a problem out of one, the 17mm. You're going to have problems out of all tools when you do it daily. That's my 17mm. Like I said to begin with, they were a little tight. They're really tight fitting compared to normal wrenches. My 17mm, I knocked up on a tie rod, and it actually split the wrench a little bit. See it right there. So I need to take it back to my local Harbor Freight. But other than that, I mean, for the price, they're amazing. No, they're not Snap-on quality, but they do great for the price. Just want to give everybody a review, my thoughts of them, because I tried to find something on this wrench set specifically, and I couldn't find nothing. I mean, for the price, they're amazing. They do good. Would I buy them again? Yes. But they are not Snap-on quality. For the price, they're great though. I just wanted to give y'all my review on it real quick, and that's my thoughts.